Hello everyone. Let's say we have a method over here. It's a main method, and we want to create a list of array using. We want to create a list using these elements over here. So we have A, B, and C. We can definitely use arrays as list, and it returns an array of. It returns a list of these things. So it's simple, right? Now, if you want to run it, we will definitely be able to see the results. As you can see, it returns with a list. It basically two-string the list, so we'll get A, B, C. However, and after adding it, if we want to add certain elements to it, let's say we want to add string, add a smiley face. Uh, and if we want to run it again, let's see what we see. So it's failed. It fails basically. It says unsupported operation. So that does what does it mean? This string is immutable. We cannot add any elements to the strings. To this list. However, there is a caveat. If you want to add a set method, let's say you want to add one index 0, uh, it sounds like you can add it. See, this smiley face has been added to the uh, added here in the first index. So the A is gone now. It is replaced with the smiley face. This is the problem, right? So it sounds like it's not actually, after all, immutable. On the other hand, there is a new addition in the Java, which is a new factory method called off. If you add the same things over here, you'll also get a list. So if you get a list, basically it's another list. And this one will have the similar thing. For example, so is going to print it. We'll to get a nice print similar as the earlier one prints. So it's the same. Now see if you want to add an item in this list. Again, we're going to add a smiley face over here, and we're going to run it. So it doesn't work. Sounds like it's also returns unsupported operation exception, which means it's immutable. Now let's try with the older technique. Set 0. Let's see if it works or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this uh, print method over here. So if it does work, I'll get a nice print over here. Okay. So let's see. Let's run it. It sounds like it fails again. So let's see what. So it also returns an unsupported error, which means the set operation is in this list is not supported. So how we're going to know how list is created? You can see there is a immutable collection in the java.util package, and we are probably not supposed to get directly. Let's see if we can get direct access of this immutable collection. I'm not sure if we can. So immutable java.util. So it seems it's not here. So it's the internal class. We are not supposed to access it. But this immutable is actually a real immutable class. So this and returns scripts, and there's a temporary elements. Okay, it's a text list and in an implementation inside the immutable collection. Mm, So it returns this list. It also implements the same interface, which is list. So we can use it. For example, get element if you want to get all the elements, and if you want to print the elements and you want to access it. You can definitely run for loop on it. It's going to be only read only. So this one basically fixed it. So if we need something like that, for example, if we need a temporary list or a small small list with a set of elements, predefined elements, we can now use the list of. So there are several variants of it. You can use, so you can use one element, two element. It supports up to 12, and then there is a parallel which takes a long list. So it's simple, and it comes with Java 9, I believe. Let's see which version. Yes, it's available since Java 9. So if you're using Java 9 or above, you are good to use this one. This one is better. Okay, that's all I wanted to share with you.